Well, beard maintenance is not merely a trend, it's an art. It's a personal statement that says, I care about my appearance and I'm not afraid to show it. In the next few minutes, we'll unravel the secrets of beard maintenance and equip you with essential tips and tricks to keep your beard looking its best. The first step towards maintaining a healthy, stylish beard is to invest in a good quality beard oil. Beard oil is your best friend when it comes to beard care. It hydrates your skin and softens your beard, making it more manageable and less prone to frizz. A well-oiled beard is a happy beard. Secondly, regular trimming is key to maintaining the shape and style of your beard. Whether you use a pair of quality scissors or a beard trimmer, precision is key. Regular trims prevent split ends and promote healthier growth. The third step is cleanliness. Wash your beard regularly with a gentle beard shampoo. This keeps it clean and healthy while preserving the natural oils that keep your beard looking full and fresh. Remember, the regular shampoo you use on your hair can strip your beard of these essential oils, so always opt for a beard-specific shampoo. Next, take a few moments each day to brush or comb your beard. This not only distributes the oils evenly, but also prevents tangles and helps exfoliate the skin underneath your beard. A daily comb-through will keep your beard looking sleek and well-groomed. Finally, remember that patience is a virtue. Growing a beard takes time and effort. It may not look perfect right away, but with proper care and maintenance, your beard will soon be a symbol of your personal style and sophistication. So to recap, the secrets to a well-maintained beard are investing in quality beard oil, regular trimming, using a gentle beard shampoo, daily brushing or combing, and above all, patience. With these tips in your grooming arsenal, your beard will be the envy of all. Thank you for tuning into Beard Maintenance 101. If you enjoyed these tips and found them helpful, do consider subscribing to our channel for more grooming advice. Until next time, keep those beards looking sharp and stylish.